Hi, welcome again to this session. I am Tuko Ibrahim Mutua, bed 0502102021, and I am introducing you to this topic. The topic is known as Introduction to Archaeology. So, this is our introduction. The study of archaeology has taken its path on the African continent than before. Archaeologists all over the world have shown interest in the field. There are sites that have given enough evidence that give the study full meaning. Okay, what is archaeology? Archaeology is the study of human past life through objects people left behind. As you all know, these objects include tools, bones, buildings, pottery, and even trash. So archaeologists try to understand how people lived, worked, and changed over time. They often dig at ancient sites and use science and history to learn more. Hominin evolutions and early migrations. Hominins are early humans and they are close ancestors. The first hominins lived in Africa, as we all know. Africa is also known as the cradle of man, especially East Africa. The first hominins lived in Africa millions of years ago. Over time, they evolved. They became better at walking upright, using tools and surviving. Examples of early hominins are Australopithecus, walked on two legs, who walked on two legs, and the other example is Homo habilis, who used simple tools. Homo erectus, first to leave Africa. Homo sapiens appeared about 300,000 years ago and began to migrate across the world. Stone tool industry. Early humans made stone tools to help with cutting, handling, and building. These tools show us how smart and skilled they were. These tools shows us how smart and skilled they were. Odwan tools, which are being rated or archaeologists always say that they are about 2.6 million years old. These tools were used 2.6 million years ago. So they were simple, made by breaking rocks. Acheulean tools. These are hand axes shaped for chopping and digging. Later tools become more sharp, advanced, and made from different materials like bone and antler. Tools got better as human brains and hands developed. Okay, from foraging to farming, the Neolithic Revolution. For most of early history, humans were foragers. This meaning they hunted animals and gathered wild plants. They moved from place to place, following food. Around 10,000 BCE, people started farming in areas like the Middle East, Mesopotamia, and whatever. This is called the Neolithic Revolution. People planted crops like wheat and barley. They domesticated animals like sheep, goats, and cows. Farming led to permanent homes. Yeah. Villages and later towns and cities. Also, farming brought development among the early inhabitants. It led to permanent homes, villages, and later towns and cities. It also led to the growth of local industries, like pottery. No, these developments were seen as human beings developed, early human beings developed. So It was a major turning point in human history. Life became more settled and societies grew. Yeah, this means agriculture became the main foundation of development. The Neolithic Revolution brought a lot of changes, yeah, in the history, in the early history in the history of early humans. And that is the end of our session and the end of my presentation. Thank you.